Hello, this is a collab with my YouTube sisters and besties. We are doing a style from my closet for the spring of 2021, and I will leave down in the description box everybody who is in this collab so you can go check out their videos when you get done watching my video. And so here we go. So this dress, I got it from the thrift store and got it last year, I think. And then these shoes are from Payless. This necklace is from Paparazzi. I used to sell paparazzi jewelry. And then I have this ring from Paparazzi and just some hoops and a bracelet that was given to me by my children a couple of years ago. Now I have this romper that I got from Rue 21 last year, and these black sandals I got from Walmart. So that's where I got this romper from Rue 21. This dress right here is from Dollar General, and I got this last year. And now this dress right here is from Rue 21. Got this a couple of years ago, and these sandals were given to me from a friend. So this is my spring style from my closet. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye bye.